Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Quest 2 has the latest firmware and a charged battery. Once done, remove any aftermarket face cover and wipe both headset lenses and your glasses with a microfiber cloth to avoid scratches. Next, put in the official glasses spacer. This increases internal depth and prevents frame contact. Make sure to fit the spacer centered, then loosen the straps so you can position the headset comfortably over your glasses without forcing them. You now position the headset straight onto your face, aligning it with your glasses frames to avoid sideways pressure on the temples. Slowly tighten the top strap until the headset stops sliding, then tighten side straps a little at a time so weight is evenly distributed. This reduces lens-to-glass contact and pressure points. If you feel cheek or nose pressure, adjust the facial foam or try the alternate foam thickness. Make sure the interpupillary distance setting matches your eyes for a clear image. Finish by checking focus and IPD in the Quest settings. Small tweaks here remove blur and eye strain. Once the view is clear, test with a short app to confirm comfort for 5-10 minutes and notice pressure points. If glasses fog, pause and wipe with anti-fog cloth or slightly open the headset gap for airflow. If you still experience discomfort or scratches, switch to dedicated prescription lens inserts or use contact lenses. These options prevent repeated frame contact and improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.